Eager to make his mark in affiliate marketing, Opsy dove headfirst into his new venture. The prospect of earning commissions by promoting products was exhilarating, and he quickly found himself swept up in the excitement of various product launches. However, in his enthusiasm, Opsy overlooked a fundamental principle: understanding the products he was promoting. Opsy signed up for multiple affiliate programs, promoting everything from fitness equipment to digital marketing tools. He saw that some products were generating a lot of buzz and decided to join the crowd, promoting them without taking the time to learn about their features or benefits. His strategy was simple: the more products he promoted, the higher his chances of making sales. One evening, Opsy received an email from a subscriber named Karen. "Hi Opsy, I recently purchased a product you recommended, but it turned out to be a complete waste of money. It didn't deliver on its promises, and now I'm hesitant to trust your recommendations in the future. Just thought you should know. Best, Karen." Opsy felt a pang of guilt and frustration. He realized that promoting products without understanding them had backfired. Determined to learn from this mistake, he decided to call Maria for advice. "Maria, I've been promoting products without really knowing what they do, and it's starting to hurt my reputation. What should I do?" Maria's response was firm but understanding. "Opsy, it's crucial to know the products you're promoting. Your audience trusts you, and it's your responsibility to ensure you're recommending quality products. Always try to buy the product yourself, or at least get a review copy. Understand its features, benefits, and any potential drawbacks. Only promote products you genuinely believe in and would use yourself." Determined to regain his audience's trust, Opsy changed his approach. He started by thoroughly researching each product before promoting it. Whenever possible, he purchased the product or requested a review copy. He took detailed notes, identifying the product's strengths and weaknesses. Opsy also began to create in-depth reviews and tutorials, sharing his honest opinions with his audience. He highlighted what he liked about the product, as well as any areas for improvement. This transparency resonated with his subscribers, who appreciated his honesty and dedication to providing value. One afternoon, Opsy received an email from a new subscriber named Mark. "Hi Opsy, I just wanted to thank you for your detailed review of the digital marketing tool. Your insights were incredibly helpful, and I felt confident making the purchase. It's refreshing to see an affiliate who genuinely cares about providing value. Keep up the great work. Best, Mark." Opsy felt a sense of accomplishment and relief. He replied quickly, thanking Mark for his feedback and expressing his gratitude for the support. Reflecting on the experience, Opsy realized the importance of thoroughly understanding the products he promoted. By taking the time to vet each product and provide honest, detailed reviews, he had regained his audience's trust and improved his overall effectiveness as an affiliate marketer. As he celebrated this small victory, Opsy knew that the journey was far from over. The affiliate marketing quest continued, and there were many more lessons to learn. With a renewed commitment to quality and transparency, Opsy was ready to tackle the next challenge.